Ay, nasisatan Lord Port.
Ayan.
Lord Port. Mommy, I can open the present.
Daddy, ano kaya Daddy?
Ano ba yun ko?
Open the present!
Si Santa.
Open the present!
Yo,
Tapos read this. Read this.
to Liam from Santa.
I told you Santa came here.
Nagkamay. Bakit yun si Santa Mi?
No, Daddy! Santa's going not just like that. Santa does this.
Mete, tinapakan mo na yung footprints ni Santa.
No, this is mine and that's Santa's.
Ayun nga, yun si Santa eh. Guwanta mo na siya sa'yo.
Hindi, Daddy!
Sabi mo pa sa nga na.
Oh.
Buksan mo, dali.
Oh. What? There's some pieces.
Take this out first.
Oh. What's your teeth?
Tanggal mo muna ito. Tapos keep mo yung letter ni Santa. So,
Oh my gosh.
we will be reminded that Santa has letter for you. And you also
Oh my gosh! I always wanted this! For snow!
how do you know that is for snow?
Because I like it. Yeah! Yay! Oh my gosh.
Really?
Thank you, Santa! Ah. Ah. Ow! 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 This is a lot. Ah. Ah. Ah.
Really? Oh, hindi mo pa na-open lahat.
Oh! Yo! This is tiny.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh! Kala ko this tiny split pala yun.
Hindi tayo. Yan yung laki na.
And look!
No break system.
Ah!
Tayo
Thank you, Santa!